What's up, guys? This is Norm, aka StormiNorman, baby, with StormiNorman PA Inc., man. I'm just one of you guys, man, just trying to get shit done, trying to go to the next level, getting the car washed, doing the big, you know what I mean, getting ready for the night at Uptown and downtown Danville, do party promotions, Sweet 16s, quinceañeras, concierge work, whatever you need, we got it. This is the company truck, getting it done.
I've seen niggas fall like paper. Got money, seen friends turn haters. Got money, man,
did about everything.
Got money, white people turn
door panels, speakers, subs, everything. How we do it, baby? How we do it?
Bitch, I'm like the mayor.
How we do it? Get it done. Live once, go big, or go home, baby. It's on my arm for life. There ain't no going back. We're getting shit done. Jumping on the team. We're gonna watch a store. It's up to you, baby. It's all up to you. Getting it done. One step at a time, baby. StormiNorman Entertainment. Tune in. Talk with you.